Hi there. I want to share with you this highly scalable microservices ticket system. So this is the demo. As you can see, we have listed all the tickets, and we have this is the system design. We have Kubernetes, and we have the client, the load balancer, and as you can see, we have two local domains. One Rabbit local, one for the rabbitmq cluster operator, and the other for the application. And we have 6 microservices. And if we take a look, as you can see, this is our ingress. We have two domains. Okay, as I said, we have all the routing tools, okay, inside of it. And now, if we go back, trying to buy a ticket, here, as you can see, it says not authorized. So we need to sign in, obviously, and let's try to do so. And now we are in the home page, and if we check the orders, as you can see, we have only 2 orders, one completed and the other was cancelled. And now let's try to buy this ticket. And as you can see, we have a limited time, okay, to purchase, to buy this ticket. The same ticket, we're gonna open another tab. Okay, so if we try to purchase it, so as you can see, already reserved, right? So when the time to buy the ticket is complete, so if you don't buy the ticket yet, the order will be cancelled. So I will pause this video until it's about to cancel, and we will go back. And now we are back with you so that you can see how it works. And now, as you can see, automatically the order is expired. And also the ticket is also available if we check the orders, and the tennis ticket, as you can see, was cancelled, which is great, right? And it is made thanks to the microservices expiration, which has a Redis server that send an event to the order to cancel the order. All right, and now we can try to write again. And as you can see, order created, and we have this time, this limited time to buy the ticket, and we are going to do so 4242, and any expiration date and any CVC, and add the name, and now pay. All right, it will direct us to payment success. The UI is really very basic, but with the heavy backend. As you can see, the ticket is no longer available. And if we check the orders, as you can see, tennis ticket payment status complete. Also, I would highly suggest that you read or you learn Kubernetes. And this is rabbitmq cluster operator, which is also scalable. Okay, this is all what we have, the queues, the connection. And this is it, guys. Code available in the description. Thanks for watching, and thank you.